There was a tremendous amount of economic statistics out this week. New home sales fell 11%. This morning, existing home sales fell 7%. The GDP for the fourth quarter was, with a final revision, was up 0.2% to almost 6%, 5.9%. So there was a lot of stats. The sentiment numbers came in negative. All this information is telling us that the economy is just not growing. It's not maybe shrinking anymore, but it's growing. If it is growing, it's growing very small, very tepid. Maybe we'll get a boost with all the government stimulus money being spent this year, and I actually think we will. But that will only mean probably we're going to grow a couple percentage points in GDP this year. China is trying to slow down its economy by raising interest rates and tightening up its standards because its economy is growing so fast. Japan's exports grew very strongly. Why? Because there was a lot of exports to China because their economy is growing so fast. So Europe is the big problem. Of course, the United States is not helping, but Europe is the big problem with their Greek financial disaster, which could spread to Portugal and Italy, and everybody thinks that's going to happen. So that has to be addressed. So there's still a lot of structural problems financially around the world that need to be addressed. And this is to say nothing about the huge debt that everybody, including the U.S., has taken on to try to get through this economic disaster we had in 2008. We're still dealing with it, and we're going to continue to deal with it. For the stock market is probably going to do okay because prices are not overvalued. Corporations have very solid balance sheets, lots of wealth. They've cut their costs, and they're still growing their earnings. So it's going to be a stock picker's market this year.
The Invest Talk Update is a monthly briefing that gives you a snapshot of the past month's market, along with other useful perspective and information. You'll see important articles like Protecting Your Investments Against Scam Artists, excerpts from Steve's book, links to the month's Invest Talk talking points, plus news of upcoming Invest Talk events in your area. And it comes free each month to your email box. To get your subscription, just go to investtalk.com and click on the icon at the top of the page.